Welcome back everybody, my name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursdays. So today is May the 4th, Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you. So I've been playing Star Wars for one of my patrons, the boss, Adam. So speaking of patrons actually, this week I celebrated two new patrons in Megan and Lewis. Thank you Megan, thank you Lewis, so much for your support, it means the world. If you would like to become a patron, just go to patreon.com/Scenescapeshop where you can become a happy little tree, or a almighty mountain, or a beautiful sky, or a full picture. There's 4 different tiers, each different amounts per month in terms of support, and you get different things for different tiers, obviously. The cheapest of which is a happy little tree, and for that you will get 25% discount off anything in my store, as well as a framed picture, a welcome pack when you join, and the ability just to say when you see a picture that you like, I would like that picture, and I'll say no problem, and send you a 5x7 print of any picture you like. Now I wanted to show you as well, I'm quite proud of this. So a lot of people, especially patrons, often say after they bought a few paintings, they say that they don't have much wall space left to display the artwork. So I thought I'd fix that with A3 portfolio coffee table presentation books. This is Scenescapeshop. Ooh, it's just a sticker. And in it you can collect A3 prints. And A3 prints are signed. And you can look at that, black and white. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's the Quills Mountains. Get away. So pretty. And obviously any print that you buy, you can display in your little book. Ah, the Paramount Mountain. An important mountain to be sure. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So if you would like a A3 folder or A3 presentation book to keep Scenescapeshop artwork in, they're actually free. You can get them for free. As soon as you buy any two A3 prints on Etsy, I'll also supply these books for you for free. And throughout the months and years ahead, you can collect all the artwork that you like. Isn't that nice? Back to today, Star Wars Day. And the good folks at Truffle Shuffle have been kind enough to supply a discount code for all you lovely viewers out there. If you would like 10% off any order of £30 or more on Truffle Shuffle, which is truffleshuffle.co.uk, for all manner of cool things and nostalgia and geeky, nerdy, awesome things that I love, including Star Wars. So there's lots of Star Wars stuff that you can get as well. Here's a few examples of the kind of stuff that Truffle Shuffle does. Lovely jubbly, and if you want 10% off, as I say, just use code SCENE10 at checkout. That's SCENE10, SCENE10, no spaces, at checkout, and you'll get 10% off your order, whatever you want to buy. That offer runs till May 14th, I think, so be sure to head on over if you would like some gifts and presents for people. Now's the time to buy when you get a nice chunky discount. Right, it's Star Wars Day, it's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you, everyone. It's Coffee Break Thursday, you know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.